Being an entrepreneur is suffering pain, psychic pain. You get very little support. You're really on your own.
Grabe po, totoo yan. Akala ng iba, glamorous na maging entrepreneur, maging CEO. Pero, ang hindi nila alam, punong-puno to sakit ng ulo at sa bulsa. Paano? Pag-usapan natin. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang world coach. Ngayong araw, papakinggan po natin ang isang CEO na si Steve Schwarzman ng Blackstone, isa sa pinakamalaking investment firm sa buong mundo. Ang dami niyang wisdom pagdating po sa ika-finance and business at ibabahagi ko rin ang personal kong take at paano to applicable sa inyo.
Being an entrepreneur is suffering pain, psychic pain. You get very little support. You're really on your own.
Nako, tumpak na tumpak. If you are a entrepreneur out there, nag-uumpisa ka lang, kahit ako ilang beses na ako sumemplang sa negosyo, alam mo, the moment na ikaw ay sumemplang at nalugi ka, nababawasan hindi lang yung pera mo, pati yung confidence mo. May duda ka na eh. Ang dami mo kasing mga pagkakamali. You have sleepless night. Pero the reality is this is part of our entrepreneurship journey. If you agree, type agree sa comment section. Alam mo, dapat natin siguro i-expect na parang ini-expect natin pag tayo po ay nagnegosyo, magkakaroon na tayo mas maraming time and magkaraming tayong pera. In reality, pag ikaw ang nagnenegosyo, ikaw yung pinakaunang papasok, ikaw ang pinakauling uuwi, wala kang time o wala ka ring money freedom. Bakit? Habang lumalaki yung negosyo mo, yung pera mo na i-invest mo pabalik sa negosyo at parang feeling mo, nasaan ang pera ko? Ayan, nasa stocks, nasa warehouse mo. Kaya kung gusto mong maging steady lang at ayaw mo ng mga challenges, mag-employ ka na lang. Oo, stick with your job. Pero kung gusto mo ng growth, you need to learn how to embrace the pain. Everybody say the word called pain. Alam mo, parang gym lang yan eh. Walang pain, walang gain. Parang sa negosyo, walang kita, pero puro pa rin pain. At the same time, ito naman, sinabi naman niya, ano pong mangyayari pag you start a business?
Once you launch the ship, it either stays on the water or it goes down below.
Nako, agree na agree ako dyan. Kapag binuksan mo ng negosyo mo, wala nang balikan. Kaya dapat honestly, before you even start, yung mga hindi pa nag-start, dapat handa ka. Alamin mo yung mga commitment, time commitment, money commitment, effort commitment, mental commitment, physical commitment, emotional commitment. Nako, don't start a business na unprepared. Have a plan, have savings, test your idea bago ka talagang mag-start. Alam mo, ang dami po talagang nagfe-fail kasi nga, yun nga, na-excite lang in reality. Pero kung hindi ka handa, darating pa rin ang wall of pain. Ano yun?
You have to suck it up and go through whatever that wall of pain is.
Lahat ng negosyante ay dumadaan po dito. Yung point na gusto mo na talagang sumuko. Parang ako, yes. There are points in my life that I'm really discouraged na sinasabi ko, I want to stop what I'm doing but I have to restart something. Because yan po ang talagang characteristic ng mga winners. Diba? In other words, hindi sila umaayaw dahil gusto nilang magwagi. Kaya nga, it's very important if you want to be successful in business, persistence is key. Persistence separates successful entrepreneurs from wannabe entrepreneurs. Kaya kung ang life nga tinitiis mo kahit wala ka ng jowa for 5 years, negosyo pa kaya? Kaya nga, ano po ang dapat natin gawin para tayo ay maging successful?
Reassess where you are. Make sure what you're doing as a vision is still in touch with reality.
Yes, hindi pwede panay fantasy lang. Ang ibig sabihin yan, masarap isipin na meron ka ng freedom of time, meron ka ng sariling negosyo, may unlimited income, pero balance passion with practicality. In other words, kung walang bumibili, pivot, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng in love ka lang sa ideas mo eh. Yung parang, uy, kikita to. Di ang problema. Kumikita ba? Ay, hindi, bebenta to. Ang tanong, bumibenta ba? Di ba? You have to be honest and face the truth. Pero yun nga, once you face trials, failures, ano gagawin mo?
You never give up. You never stop, because you will prevail if you have a worthy fantasy that is in touch with reality.
Totoong-totoo yan. Sa negosyo, success is about the staying power. Diba? It's not how many times you fail, it's how many times you bounce back. Kaya nga ang tanong, kaya mo bang tiisin hanggang dumating ang resulta? Ikaw? Yes, ikaw. Alam ko na challenge ka ngayon. The market may reject you today, pero yung tunay na value, yung tunay na ikaw, yung tunay na pagkatao mo, huwag kang aayaw, huwag kang bibigay because you are not a failure. You just failed at what you're doing. Mahirap lang ang sitwasyon mo, pero ang pagkatao mo hindi. Eventually, you'll be successful. eventually tatanggapin din yung products mo. Eventually, maniwala ka, uunlad at aasenso ka. Para lang TikTok yan eh. Minsan, walang nag-review sa umpisa. Pero kapag consistent ka, magiging viral ka din. So, the question that I would like to you, if you're an entrepreneur out there, anong natutunan mo from Steve Schwarzman? Again, entrepreneurship is equivalent to pain, but also growth. Kapag nag-launch ka, prepared ka, dapat all in. Persistent is key, and never stop if your vision is real and valuable. Mga kapatid, para sa mga taong business people din and entrepreneurs na nanonood ngayon, kung pakiramdam mo na mag-isa ka sa laban mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-isa. Ito yung panahon na kung kailangan mo may kausap, no? You need guidance, clarity, and coaching. Kung gusto mo makasama at makausap one-on-one, what I want you to do is I want to help you assess where you are right now in your business, and I want you to answer a free questionnaire. Libre po to, wala kayong babayaran. All you need to do is just click the link below and then answer the 8 simple questions para mag-guide kita sa inyong entrepreneurial journey. Sana naliwanagan kayo, tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.